Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be talking about how you can get a printable on Canva. Um, let's suppose you're in a yeah, you have your file that you've been working on. Now, obviously, you have to go to the file that you're working on, and so you go to your file, your presentation or whatever you've been working on. Now you have to click on share, and as you see, there will be a list of things here, but all you need to do is click on download. Now, when you click on download, there will be a few options. For example, PDF print, JPJ, PNJ, GIF. All you have to do is choose the PDF standard or PDF print. If you want to print physical print, you should do that. And for email and stuff, you should do this, and then you download. When you download it, it will download and it will be a PDF for you. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel.